Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all of you in computer class. Students, we are on chapter 2, that is types of hardware. And yesterday I have sent video on the some storage devices. I hope you all watch the video carefully and understand different types of storage devices. Today in this video, that is your part 4, input devices, we discuss about what is input device, input unit and different terms related to that. So let's start our class. Input devices. Here student, you see different diagrams of input devices that we discuss in this session. Here, the first term is what is input. Input is any data and instruction entered into the memory of a computer system. That means, student, whatever we have entered in our computer system for processing purpose or give any instruction to computer system to proceed to get the information, that is called input. Okay, and we give input through the input device in our computer system. Here, what is input? An input device is any hardware components that allow user to enter data and instruction into a computer system. Student, here, what is input device? Input device is any hardware, because input device, the terms related to hardware that we can see and touch also. Okay, so here in definition said, an input device is any hardware component that allow user to enter data or instruction in our computer system. This is simple definition of input device. Now the first term is keyboard, as we familiar with in earlier classes, and you also go in your computer lab and you see the keyboard. Okay, and here the term keyboard, a keyboard is an input device that contains key user press to enter data and instruction to a computer system. So what is keyboard here? Keyboard is an input device that contain different types of key, and user, if the user want to give instruction in our computer system, that press any of the key and enter the instruction as our requirement. This is the diagram of the keyboard. Now here we see most desktop computer keyboard have, okay? And desktop, that means the system that have all units, CPU, speaker, printer, monitor, keyboard, mouse, okay? All these things, and set up on a desk. So this is the desktop computer. So desktop computer have between 101 and 105 keys. ठीक है, a numeric keypad on the right of the keyboard. ठीक है, on the right hand side there is a numeric keyboard, that is 1 2 3. ठीक है, function key, that is control key, alt key and arrow key present. Windows key, application key and toggle keys also present in desktop computer keyboard, because we use different types of keyboard with our system. Okay, but standard keyboard, all these types of key have to enter the instruction. Now here you see the structure of the keyboard block diagram is here. Function key, ठीक है, numeric keypad, navigation key, application key, arrow key, ठीक है, here Windows key, and the one term that is not familiar to you, that is what is toggle key. ठीक है, toggle key in our keyboard that is used for as on and off purpose. For example, caps lock key, if we want to write in capital letter, then we click on the or press the key caps lock. ठीक है, that makes our letter in capital. ठीक है, that means on and off purpose. So here the example of toggle key is caps lock key, number lock key and scroll lock. ठीक है, Keyboard types, QWERTY type keyboard. Pronunciate, that is QWERTY, refers to the arrangement of the keys on the standard English computer keyboard or typewriter. The term comes from the fact the first 6 letters of the top row's keys are QWERTY, QWERTY. The first टॉप रोज, ठीक है. द क्वालिटी डिज़ाइन वॉज पेंटेटेड बाई क्रिस्टोफर सोल्स इन 1874. क्वालिटी टाइप कीबोर्ड स्टूडेंट, द फर्स्ट रो, ठीक है, टॉप रो जो आपका होगा वहाँ पे जो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल जो कीज़ आपके जब स्टार्ट होंगे तो इन दैट द फर्स्ट रो दे आर रिटन क्वालिटी, ठीक है, QWERTY. So that is the type of QWERTY type keyboard that is developed by Christopher Soles in 1874. Keyboard types here. The second types of keyboard, developed keyboard, and that you use or see in different system. ठीक है. Here number, then the alphabet. ठीक है. Here no, in right hand side there is no number keypad. Now next is pointing device. A pointing device is an input device that allow a user to control pointer on the screen. That means we give instruction to our computer system with the help of controlling the pointer, ठीक है, on the screen. A pointer is a small symbol on the screen whose location and shape change as a user moves a pointing device. ठीक है. तो जब भी उस pointing device को यूजर इधर here and there जो भी है जैसे आप मूव कराएंगे तो वो आपका लोकेशन स्क्रीन पे शो होगा. ठीक है. दैट मीन्स pointing through a device. Here the pointing device, the first is a mouse, is a pointing device that fits under the palm of your hand comfortably. ठीक है. Most widely used pointing device on the desktop computer, that is mouse. ठीक है. A mouse can be wired or wireless. If it is wireless, that it works with different sensor. Other pointing device, that is trackball, touchpad and pointing sticks, and in this there is light pen. ठीक है. Touchpad, that is in our laptop, and this is the device that is trackball. ठीक है. That is also used for pointing device. Touch screen and touch sensitive pads. A touch screen is a touch sensitive display device. ठीक है. That means we touch with the finger, and according to our touch session, the instruction used to enter in our computer system. For example, here you see ATM, automatic teller machine. ठीक है. We withdraw or deposit money. ठीक है. तो with the help of touch screen. Next is pen input. With pen input, you touch a stylus or digital pen on the flat surface to write, draw or make selection. ठीक है. So this here is the another example of pen input. With the help of pen input, we give instruction to our computer system in the form of written work, either draw, either make selection. Other types of input, video games and computer games use as a game controller as the input device that directs movement and action of the on-screen object. You play video games, ठीक है. Game pad, joystick, light gun, dance pad, Y remote. These are the other types of input that we use for our game controlation. And here you see the figure, game pad, ठीक है, joystick, light pen, dance pad and Y remote. Next is a digital camera is a mobile device that allow user to take picture and store them digitally. Studio camera, field camera or point and shoot camera. ठीक है. Studio camera, that is photographic, जो हम जब भी हम फोटो जो है क्लिक कराने चाहते हैं. ठीक है. फील्ड कैमरा, दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर डिफरेंट फॉर्म, एंड पॉइंट एंड शूट कैमरा, दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर शूटिंग पर्पस. Here the example of different input camera, digital camera, ठीक है, studio camera here, field camera, and this is point and shoot camera. Other types of input, here you see the digital camera might work, ठीक है, different field. Voice input is the process of entering input by speaking into a microphone. Voice recognition is the computer capability of distinguishing the spoken word. And audio input is the process of entering any sound into the computer system. Okay? So voice input enter the in the form of speaking into microphone, and voice recognition, that means change, ठीक है, from spoken word to another, and audio input not in the form of video, ठीक है, only the sound to enter into the computer system. And here the example voice input, ठीक है, and voice recognition, and here the audio inputs, ठीक है. With the help of these three items we enter the, ठीक है, जो भी हमें इनपुट देना होता है हम देते हैं. Other types of input, the next one is a webcam. It is also called web camera, is a video camera that feeds its images in a real time to a computer. It enables a user to capture video and still image, ठीक है, send email message with video attachment, add images to instant messages, and broadcast the live image over the internet, and make the video telephones call, ठीक है. That means the real time to a computer system when we want to enter the instruction in the form of these, ठीक है, that is by web camera. Next one is a scanner creates a file of the document in the memory that works in a manner similar to a copy a machine, ठीक है. टू कॉपी, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि देर इज़ एनी डॉक्यूमेंट इन आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम एंड इफ़ वी वांट, ठीक है, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि कोई अगर डॉक्यूमेंट है हम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में इन कराना चाहते हैं. Another is if we want to send our any type of invitation card to our friends or relative that is far away, ठीक है, so we send that invitation card with the help of scanner. With the help of scanner, it's come in our computer system and through email, ठीक है, we send to our relatives and friends. So with the help of scanner, it's make a copy of that document in computer system. This is the diagram of scanner. Other types of input, here the very important term, that is optical character recognition, OCR, involves reading character from ordinary document. A turnaround document is a document you return to the company that create and send it, ठीक है. तो optical character reader that is used for reading the character. Other types of OMR, optical mark recognition, reads the hand-drawn marks such as small circle or rectangles, ठीक है. And in this times that offline exam, ठीक है, जो modern time में इस समय जो offline exam अगर होते हैं, that is with the help of OMR sheet, optical mark recognition. There we have to fill the circle, ठीक है, and that read by machine, that is optical mark reader. Here the terms barcode reader, as you see in your back side of your copies and book, ठीक है, and barcode reader, this device you see in city mall, ठीक है, different types of shopping mall, you see this type of device to enter the price in computer system on focusing the tag of that cloth or material. Next, the other input, credit cards, entertainment cards, bank cards, other similar card where we swipe the card, ठीक है, and in that card there is different magnetic strip that is read by that machine, ठीक है. Here magnetic strip card reader, magnetic strip card, here different example, ठीक है, Citibank, here any travel clubs, ठीक है, different types of magnetic strip card, ठीक है, there we swipe the card in machine and according to that uh, we access. The other types, that is MICR, magnetic ink character recognition device, read the text printed with magnetized ink. An MICR reader converts MICR character into the form of computer can process. Banking industry use MICR for checking processing. ठीक है, here the example given to you a check book, ठीक है, checkbook page, and here the in code form, here something written that is read by MICR. Other types of input, that is biometrics. As you see in your school also, there we have to, in principal office there is biometrics, and with the fingerprints, ठीक है, we have to give attendance. And here in the form of fingerprint reader, face recognition system, hand geometry, voice verification, signature verification system, and retinal scanner. These are all types of input through the biometrics. And this biometrics, that is especially also in different recruitment exam, ठीक है, that for student entry, here the biometrics use. Here different example, fingerprint reader, ठीक है, face recognition system, hand geometry system, here we place our hand, ठीक है, उसके बाद आपका login होगा. So student, this is all about all different types of input devices. After watching video, you all read from different input devices from your book also. If there is any problem, then ask me.